Hi everyone, I am Anju and welcome to my channel Excel Made Easy. Here you will learn Excel in the simplest and most practical way, from basic features to advanced functions and real-world tricks. Let's master Excel together. So sometimes highlighting is not the only requirement. You might want to categorize your data into different segments. Maybe you want to categorize it in such a way that orders which are generating a revenue below 1 lakh should be highlighted in a different color. 1 lakh to 50,000 should be in a different color. And then 1 lakh 50,000 above should be in a different, category. So in that case, we can have another option in the conditional formatting, for which I am selecting the data first. And then in the conditional formatting, we can notice one option, that is icon set. This is a very beautiful option to categorize your data into different segments. So here I am using, let's say, one of the icon set we can use, let's say this one, which indicates that below 50,000 will be shown as a red, and 50,000 to 1 lakh should be shown as yellow, and then 1,50,000 above should be shown as a green upward arrow. So this three icon set I am using. By default, when you apply this setting, Excel is applying an internal algorithm to the data, and what it actually does, it segregates in a different pattern, which means top 33% of the data will be green highlighted, in between 33% will be yellow, and bottom 33% will be red downwards arrow. So by default, this is what happens. Okay, so that is why you will notice that all the lower values are going to the red color arrow, higher values are in a green color upward arrow, and somewhere in between you will see a yellow color. But that's not my requirement. My requirement was a specific set of values. That means up to 50,000 should be red color, 50,000 to 150 should be yellow, and 150 onwards should be a green color upward arrow. So when I want to make the change as per my need, I can go to Manage Rules, select the rule that is already applied, and then edit the rule. So we go to the edit rule, and now we can notice that it is actually categorized into three parts, that is segments of 33% each. But we are not talking about the person, we are talking about the specific value. So first of all, the type will be changed to number instead of percent. And what value we are giving to the green color upward arrow, that is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 is given for green, and above 50,000, here also I'm changing it to number, and then it will be greater than 50,000. So I just click somewhere else, and then we can notice that two conditions are completed, and third one is created automatically based on the previous two. So when yellow was selected, that means when value is less than 1,50,000 and greater than equal to 50,000, it will be yellow color. So it means when value is less than 50,000, it will go to downward red arrow. So we have completed the condition, and now click on OK. So condition is complete. We can click OK to apply this. And now we can just notice this is like less than 50,000. So red arrow is coming. This value is between 50,000 and 1,50,000. This also between 150, and this is more than 150. So that is how, depending on my condition, we have changed the icon set rule. So this is something where you have a very specific business need, and you want to highlight or you want to categorize your values based on your business requirements. So we can change the rules and then display the values according to the categories. This is beautiful. You can actually view the numbers, and you can actually apply filter on this. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.